Welcome to the episode Weekend Warriors.
Alright guys, we are fishing a small river today in Minnesota. This is a very small little river. It's more like a creek. Oh, got a fish. Oh, there's smallmouth in here, as I think I just caught one. And we have walleyes in here too. They sit down in these little 3 to 4 foot holes trying to get out of the sun. Oh, yeah. And it makes it for a very fun time fishing. It's hard to get up in here though because it is so shallow. So it makes it really hard to get a boat in here. Not many people fish this place because of that. But here we go. We got our first fish of the day. A nice little smallmouth there. Jackson's going to give him a toss back. I caught him on the crayfish again. Yeah, everybody knows that I like fishing with these crayfish, but it's the swing jig. Looks like he bit off all my little appendages, but I will get a different one on and give it another shot. Alright guys, that's a good way to start the episode off. As we're anchored up right above a hole in the river, and we're just going to cast down into that hole and reel up into it and see if we can't get something. Oh, I just got another one. So this is the second cast since we've been out here. This one doesn't feel as heavy. Might be a goldeneye. Well, we'll see. Oh, and it is a little walleye. Nice. All right. First walleye of the night. Nice. All right, so far that's 2 casts and 2 fish. This is working out pretty good. I just hooked up on something big. I wasn't recording because we just got to another spot here. But boy, it's fighting. Don't do that too much. I think it's a really nice smallmouth bass. Jackson, Joe. Alright guys, here we go. Nice smallmouth. This hole that we are above here, it's about 4 feet deep. We're anchored up in 2 feet of water, and it's just kind of a hole that the current has dished out in the bottom of the river here. It goes on for about 50 yards, and I would say it's about 10 yards wide. Oh, I just got smashed and he took my whole twisty tail. The plan is just to kind of sit here and do this until a little bit after dark and see what we can run into. There you go. Fish on. Oh, and he got off right away. Jumped out of the water and spit that hook right out. So this stretch of river we fished before. Actually did a fishing challenge with J&C Fishing Channel. If you want to check that out, I'll leave a link up into the corner up here. It's where we fished for 1 hour and we counted 3 fish within that hour. And whoever recorded the most inches won that challenge. There we go, fish on. Oh yeah. I think it's another bass. He's fighting like it. Fighting like a nice smallmouth. Oh, and he got off. And I did see him. He was a smallmouth. Ah. There we go. Oh. Just missed him. Seems like they've been hitting just outside the boat here. I think that's just right at the top of that hole. Well, that sunset is beautiful.
I like the sunset.
We got to see the sunrise today, and we're going to see it set, so.
Cool.
Alright guys, we just moved down about 30 yards and we'll keep trying to fish this hole.
Fish in the air.
Oh, the light. There we go. Fish on.
I recorded.
There we go. Come on, buddy. Man, these fish feel so big in this current. I've only been catching like 12, 13-inch fish. But man, they feel like they're 20 plus when they're in this current. Still haven't seen it. Hardly any head shakes. It might be a walleye. Still haven't seen it.
Carp?
Oh yeah, it is a nice walleye.
Oh, nice. Oh, you finally got your first walleye.
Yeah, it's a pretty nice walleye. Let's get it up in here quick. Nice, guys. Look at that fish right there. Look at that. That is a nice fish. Woo!
You got that one.
And you gotta remember, guys, we are fishing in like 3 feet of water, and we're catching fish like this. That's just crazy. Let's get a measurement on this guy.
He didn't move it, did he?
Yes, he is moving.
He's mad at you.
Woo!
I know you want to get my camera.
Yes, 21-inch walleye. 21-inch walleye. Now let's see if we can't do that again, guys. There we go, got one. Yeah. Alright guys, see what it is. It's another walleye.
Walleye, nice.
Yes, nice.
Bigger.
Hey, you got off. Quick get off there. Right in the boat.
Off the boat. You don't want to put your feet in.
All right.
Keep biting.
It's a nice little walleye. I am going to keep this guy. He's be a good eater.